Hello everyone, welcome back to the Angger Law channel, one of your go-to source legal insight in Indonesia. If you heard some news regarding the K-pop artist or one of the pretty much famous the content creator in Indonesia regarding the crush underage, but today we're gonna not discuss about those legal case or criminal case regarding this underage, but today we gonna discuss about the important things of legal protection for our children. And then discussion today is about what is actually the law says about the couple of issues in Indonesia, such as like child labor or the what is the age for the marriage, and also is there any like online safety precaution or protection for our children. So if you are curious about these rules and law protection regarding these minors in Indonesia, please stay tuned and let's break it down. Right, we're gonna start with the basic things first. If you see in the legal system of Indonesia, there's rules and laws specify the range of this underage between 18 to 21 that cover in Indonesian criminal code, Indonesian civil code, and marriage law as well. But today, put this underage based on the child protection law, which is anyone who under of the age of 18. So all of these rules and laws in Indonesia are in place to protect the children about their safe, their health, and also we have to provide the environment they're able to them to support their development. So we all agreed not about the range of this age, 18 to 21, but we all agreed, we must agree that we have to protect our child regarding their safe, their health, and their environment, so they are able to support their development. One of the most talked about topics in Indonesia, especially in regards with this underage, is about the legal age for the marriage. If you remember previously, our law said the traditional age for the girls is 16 and 19 for the boys. But luckily in 2019, our constitutional court raised this age, especially for the young girls, from 16 to 19, aligning with the age of the boys. So this step forward, it's huge news for us, especially to protect our young girls from early marriage. This step forward, the raise from 16 to 19, is significantly changed, especially for the young girls, regarding their social, their psychological things, their health as well, and their economic consequences. So our law now, especially on the marriage law, now protecting our young girls and young boys being forced into marriage before they reach their maturity. So, however, our law still have able to make some exception in certain case only. So actually, the judge may able to granted this exception regarding this legal age of the marriage. But remember, this is only in certain case, and you have to specific reason to make this exception regarding this legal age of the marriage. Next, we're gonna talking about the child labor law in Indonesia. Our law prohibits any employment for the children under age of 13 for the most of the job. For the age 13 to 15, there are a restriction on the types of the work they can do, ensuring it's not hazardous to their health, safety, and their education. For those aged 15 to 18, they can work actually, but you have to be remember the law limit their working hours so it doesn't interfere with their education and their well-being as well. Unfortunately, even despite this protection, the child labor is still one of the most issues in several places in Indonesia. But our government, especially in Ministry of the Women Empowerment and Child Protection, and several non-government organizations, always combat these problems. Unfortunately, there is another area that need our attention as well, especially in the protection our child from any of abuse. In Indonesia has a strict laws against this child abuse, whether it is physical, sexual, or emotional. If you remember, in Indonesia, we have a child protection law, especially in Act number 23 of 2002, and there is first amendment of the child protection in Act number 35 2014, followed by Act number 17 2016, outlines the responsibility not only our government, but it is responsibility of society and family, including us as parents of our child, in safeguarding our children from those harms. In today's digital age, online safety is another major concern for this young age. The internet option opens up so many opportunity for them, especially in education. But remember, this internet as well expose them to such a certain potential risks, such as exploitation on pornography and other things. In Indonesia, the government has the strict laws regarding these things, especially in the Electronic Information and Transaction Law, or ITE, which help protect children from cyberbullying, online exploitation, and other dangers in digital worlds. And we remember we heard some good news as well, especially from our Ministry of Digital and Communication, regarding they will implement such of regulation that will protect our children from these online dangerous things. However, it's crucial for parents and caregivers, including all of the teachers in Indonesia, to be involved in these children's online activities, and for children themselves to be educated on how to stay safe from these online dangers. Platforms such as like social media, such as like YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, must have age restriction in place, but this responsibility also falls on individuals, including us as a parents, to ensure our child not engaging in harmful or inappropriate behavior online. So now the question will be, what can we do to protect our children in Indonesia? First and foremost, we can support and raise awareness about this importance of these following laws that I mentioned earlier. If you witness any illegal or harmful activities involving minors, don't hesitate to report them to the authorities. we can support such as like a non-government organization that focus on children rights and welfare can make a huge difference as well. Our support in is not just only raising the fund or give some money, but we can volunteer ourselves to support them, especially in this helping the children access the good education, and then providing resources not to the child as well but to their parents as well, and fostering our safer community and environment in digital world as well to protect our childs from any harms or any dangers in real situation or in online situation. Here you go. Well, that's it for vlog today. It is important to be aware and well informed regarding this child protection law to protect our children in Indonesia. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to get more legal insights in Indonesia. If you have any question or want to learn some more regarding this legal insight, please drop your comments below. So stay safe and take care.